Hello friends, this is me Laneha Chunsu. Welcome to my channel which is all about enhancing what you have. Today we are reviewing romance blushers from their Anne of Green Gables collection. Dude, I love this collection so much and from last 6 months I have been only using these continuously. So I thought that it's a great time to share this with all of you. The packaging is adorable and sturdy. It feels really high quality to touch and hold. Everything is written in Korean here, which can be little hard for us international customers. The Blur blush contains sebum absorbing powder for long lasting finish with silicone coating powder to create a smooth and even application. Pear chip is a nude peach brown shade. It is very pigmented, but when blended it looks very natural. It feels like cream blush in texture, but blends well as a powder. Unique, right? This blush has really high quality lock that isn't very easy to open and closes with a loud click, so you know it's closed. I used Pear chip as a bronzer and blusher both. Today I'm contouring my nose with it. It is very pigmented and you can see it is blending so seamlessly. I literally recommend this to all of you. So once quarantine ends or its lockdown ends, let's buy it. The best part about these blushers is that these are not at all chalky and even a beginner can use it like a pro. I use this as a bronzer all the time because it looks so natural and I just love this color. It's so unique. By the way, guys, what are you guys doing in this lockdown? And like for me, my depression just hits me so bad that I just can't tell you. Honestly, tell me, doesn't my nose look naturally contoured? Like literally. Apple chip has the same beautiful packaging like Pear chip. It has same sturdy lock as well. Apple chip is a beautiful deep coral color. This blush has neon vibes to it. It's a very unique color as well. These blushers blur skin and makes it look so flawless. Oh my god, I just love it. Apple chip is not as nude as Pear chip as you can see. So I will advise all of you to not to take a lot of product in one go because it can be tricky to then mute it down because the same thing happened with me. These blushers blur my pores so beautifully, I just love it. These blushers last the entire day without fading much and as time passes by it looks more natural. Doesn't these look pretty and natural? Do let me know in comment section which blush did you like the most and why. I'm really bored so you have to comment, okay? I want to chat with all of you. Bye bye.